Here we have for sale our September 2022 on a 72 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, which is the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T30, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. That on this van is accompanied with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox finished in the fantastic deep black pearl, and this is a factory short wheelbase Highline Kombi. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline DSG Kombi of this age. This one has got an incredible list of factory optional extras, so we'll talk you through all of the extras that are on this van. It has then further been enhanced in latter stages of its life and also during our preparation, so we will talk you through what has been done to it to enhance it to this stage, and also what we've done to it during our preparation. We'll have a really close look at the condition and also talk you through the service history, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. Before we get started, it's worth mentioning that this van has no VAT to pay. The previous owner was not VAT registered, and therefore we cannot charge VAT on something that we have not paid VAT on. So this van will be no VAT for the rest of its life. So it's a really good opportunity to get a van like this with this sort of spec, age, mileage, condition, with no VAT. These are becoming very, very hard to find. So, starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with a rear glazed tailgate. So a tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed, of course, meaning it has got the rear glass. And we can see this is factory because, of course, it has got the rear wiper, and you can probably just see these lines in here as well, which is the heating elements in the screen. The rear glass has actually been tinted as well, so a bit of better security there, a bit more privacy. The rear glass has been tinted from from its usual factory level of tint. Looking at the condition here at the rear of the van, you can see just how clean and tidy this is. I mean, the reflection is just literally like a mirror in this van. It's looking very, very nice. I believe from the condition of the van when it arrived with us, I believe it's been very, very well looked after throughout its life, and then of course during our preparation we have thoroughly detailed the vehicle to get it to the stage that you can see here, but it is looking absolutely stunning. You can see at the rear bumper then, you can see that we have got rear parking sensors there nicely integrated into the rear bumper. That comes as standard on the Highline model, and you can see there's a nice carbon rear bumper protector as well, which has been added there. At the top of the rear tailgate then, you can also see the rear spoiler which has been added, but yeah, looking absolutely stunning here at the back of the van. If we open up the tailgate then, we can start to have a look inside the back, and again, really nice spec inside here. So the first thing you'll see, these bulges on the side here on both sides, and for the Volkswagen connoisseur, you'll know straight away that that means that this van has got twin electric side loading doors, so very, very desirable extra on this van. But having a look at the condition here in the back, you can just see how clean this is here on this nice soft touch rubber flooring, got the nice tie down points there, and of course the van has been fully carpeted in the back, which is all brand new, and you've got this nice brand new suede headlining as well with the LED spotlights in there. But yeah, just looking, I'd say like new, but it's actually looking probably better than new in here because it's got the carpet line. It looks absolutely lovely in there, and same with the inside of the tailgate as well. This has all been professionally carpet lined in the back of there. We'll come around to a bit more of the spec in just a second. We go into the front of the van. Moving then down the passenger side, this is where I like to look in the reflections down the side of the van, just looking for any dents, ripples, scratches, anything like that. But you can just see how clean this is. It is, as I say, literally like a mirror finish on the side of this van, looking very, very smart indeed. But as I mentioned, twin electric doors. So there's a number of ways you can open these doors. You can just pull on the handle like I just did there. From the inside, you can use the handle which is inside here. You can also use the key, so there's buttons on the key to be able to electrically open the doors, and there's also buttons on the dashboard as well, which I'll show you in just a second when we get round to the front. In here then, so not only have we got the twin electric side loading doors, but another factory extra on this one is that it has got the 2+1 split rear seating configuration here in the back. That allows you to operate this seat completely independently of the others, so you can flip that up to gain access into the back. You can also use this little tab here to fold the seat down flat in half, and of course you can do the same with that double seat as well. But crucially, you can remove the single seat or you can remove the double seat, so you can really chop and change the configuration in the back of here as you wish. And then a major upgrade on this van is the brand new leather interior. So it's very nice black leather with the contrasting hex stitching, which I just think looks absolutely fantastic in the center of the seats. But yeah, sets the van off very, very nicely, gives it a much more premium feel. But you can see in the back of here, the condition is just absolutely spot on. The step, the floor, there's really not a huge amount of fault, if I'm being completely honest. Having a look here in the inside of the passenger door card, again, the step, the floor in here, it's all looking absolutely lovely. And then in the front, sorry, the leather, of course, continues in the front of here, but a really nice upgrade on this one is that this one has got the GTI upgraded foam bolsters here in the front, which gives you much more of a hugging feel as a driver and passenger. Of course, set up as 2 captain seats here in the front, so you've got all of the adjustability that you've got as a driver on the passenger seats. You've got height adjustment here. You've got your twin adjustable armrests, so you can really get into a lovely position here as a passenger. Makes it fantastic for longer journeys. I had exactly the same seating configuration in my own van with this leather, the bolsters and everything. It's I think a very, very nice choice. Looks really, really smart. Of course, you have got ISOFIX compatibility here in the in those rear seats as well. If we shut the doors, then we'll continue to go around the outside of the van, and that's how easy it is. You can just pull the handle and it'll just do its job for you. Having a look at the styling here down the side, then you can see there's a nice set of sidebars which have been added here. These are the trapezoid black sidebars. And also up at the top then you've got a nice set of roof bars, and then the wheels, this one's got the ever popular Navis Twin-5 gloss black alloy wheels, our personal favourite alloy to put on Volkswagen Transporter. These are of course fully load rated with the correct 265/40/20 load rated tyres. Yeah, absolutely love this wheel and tyre setup. I think it just looks absolutely spot on the van, and really provides a brilliant combination of practicality and look to the vehicle. And I really like as well that the alloy design almost ties in with the design of the sidebar as well. I think it looks really, really smart. Around to the front then, some more factory optional extras here then to speak of, and that is the LED headlights. I've mentioned many times in videos before that if I was ever speccing one of these vans, that is the first optional extra that I would tick, and that is the LED headlights. They're a vast improvement from the standard headlight. They look better with these very nice LED daytime running lights, but the actual performance at night time is absolutely exceptional, certainly compared to the standard headlights. The vehicle has been lowered on 45mm lowering springs as well, which just helps the wheels to sit in the arch that much nicer, but without sacrificing practicality. So it's not certainly too low that it causes any issues on speed bumps or anything like that. It just works very, very well. Some nice changes to the front here then. We have of course got the gloss black grille, so all the top grille here has been changed for gloss black. Same with the lower, all the lower grills have been changed for gloss black, and then the gloss black lower splitter as well. And I think when you tie everything in this sort of all blacked out stealth look, I think that looks absolutely stunning. Condition to the front of the van, of course you're going to get a few stone chips here or there which have just been sort of neatly touched in, but generally speaking it's as I say, very, very nice condition, absolutely consistent with its age or mileage in terms of the stone chips there. But yeah, it's looking really, really smart. If we open up the driver's side loading door, this is the door that as I say, is the desirable one really, because they come with the passenger side loading door as standard, but to get a driver's side loading door, especially electric like this, it does make all the difference, just being able to load people in from both sides. And we have got a previous service history with this van as well, so there's a record of 2 previous services that have been carried out, the most recent of which was actually done in September of 2025 at 28,000 miles. It's only on 29 now, so that was I say only very recently done. So in our workshop Bridgend Van Care, they have conducted a full thorough health check on the vehicle, giving it a clean bill of health, so the van is absolutely ready to drive away straight away. Having a look at the condition here then in the front, so again looking at the step, the floor, of course all the leather is brand new, so there's no wear or anything like that to the seats. These are all brand new. We've got that lovely leather smell inside here, of course, which is very nice. The vehicle is supplied with 2 full flip remote keys, and these are the buttons I was talking about on the keys there to control your electric doors. On top of the driver's door then we've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, leather multifunctioning steering wheel. On the left hand side then you've got your adaptive cruise control settings. On the right hand side, onboard computer controls just here as well. 29,424 miles, and that is all idling correctly there, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard, of course. Into the center, another factory option on this one is that it has got the Discover Media satellite navigation. So this gives you, of course, satellite navigation, but crucially it gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So once you've got your smartphone connected to this van via Bluetooth, as soon as you jump in, it will load up the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto completely wirelessly without having to plug it in. An additional benefit, of course, on the Discover Media Nav, it does give you this larger flush screen here in the center as well. Of course, you have got DAB radio and everything on there. These are the buttons on the side then to operate your electric doors. You can operate those off here, and you can actually turn the system off completely. So maybe if you've got someone traveling in the back that you don't want them to be able to just open the door, you can turn the system off completely if you want to. In the center here then, of course, you've got air conditioning, your heated rear window, your heated front window, your heated windscreen. But again, another optional extra here then, this one has got heated front seats as well. DSG automatic gearbox, as I mentioned, and then the two USB-Cs with a 12-volt socket just there. But yeah, absolutely lovely condition inside there. So just to summarize then, this is a no VAT Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. It's a T30 with 150 brake horsepower, diesel Euro 6 engine, so fully ULEZ compliant, 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. Fantastic list of optional extras on this van, including the LED headlights, twin electric doors, 2+1 rear seating configuration, heated seats, Discover Media satellite navigation. So it's a really comprehensive spec on this van. No VAT to pay, full leather interior with those lovely uprated GTI foam bolsters in the front, carpet lining, suede headlining, and then the fantastic styling kit, which we can see here with the Navis Twin-5 alloy wheels, rear spoiler, rear bumper protector, roof bars, and then around to the front, the gloss black grills, the lower splitter, and of course the lowering just really completes a very, very attractive package. Previous service history, as I mentioned, 2 keys, and I say fully checked out in our workshop, so it is absolutely ready to drive away straight away. Now we can deliver our vans nationwide, so if you're not local to us, there's I say no need to worry. We can deliver the van to your door if that is what you would prefer. We can also arrange finance at very competitive rates, so whether that be for a private individual, if you're looking for this van for your family, or if you are going to buy this through your company, we can also help with some financing options there, of course all subject to status and acceptance. We can take cars or vans in part exchange, so if you've got a part exchange you'd like to put in against this van, by all means get in contact, we'd be more than happy to help. If you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got for sale here as well. Thank you very much for watching.